How to change Snapchat profile picture. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change Snapchat profile picture. First, open or launch the Snapchat app, just like you can see here. This is the main homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon. It's this icon that appears at the top left corner of the screen. This is your Snapchat profile section, as you can see here. On this page, you will find different options that allow you to navigate to various parts of your account. From the available choices, the one we are interested in is the Settings option. Here it is. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Settings page of your Snapchat account. This page contains several tools and options you can use to manage and adjust the overall settings of your account. Next, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you arrive at this section right here. Once here, tap on the option labeled Bitmoji. When you do that, you will see your current Snapchat Bitmoji or profile picture. On this screen, there are several settings available for customizing your Bitmoji. You can tap on Change My Outfit right here, and you'll be able to make quick updates and change how your outfit looks based on your preference. Another option here is Edit Bitmoji. By tapping this, you'll be able to adjust facial features, hairstyle, and other visual elements of your Bitmoji using the settings provided. Finally, if you wish to remove your Bitmoji entirely, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap the option labeled Remove My Bitmoji. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your decision. If you are sure, go ahead and confirm it. Once done, your Bitmoji will be removed from your Snapchat profile. The entire process is straightforward and easy to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to change Snapchat profile picture.